Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. Today, I'll continue to show you a very useful way of sharpening knives. You can do it at home with the tools available. First, we need to prepare discarded tire. Cut it out and take a little bit of that tire. Prepare to add the drill. For that piece of rubber that the tire just cut, at the head of the drill. Take a chopstick and cut it in half. Equal. Preparation of sandpaper. Cut a piece of sandpaper like in the video. Let's wrap the smooth side in the clear rubber. Fight and cut. Apply glue to make it stronger. You stick the smooth part inside, and the roughness turns out to sharpen the knife. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. Now, unscrew the head of the drill a little bit. Install the cut wood in half. Drilling machine. Take a blunt knife and add some water. And start grinding. Sharpen from the base of the knife to the tip of the knife. Inclined about 15 to 20 degrees. That's the ideal angle. Let's do it right. Don't use too much force. Continue with the other side. What country are you watching the video from? Leave a comment, let me know. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. It's great to see your support. Keep sharpening your knives. In about a minute or two, you will see the difference. Now give baking soda onto the sandpaper. Scrub it with a brush. Then continue to grind. Repeat a few more times to get better results. Be careful when using a knife. Use paper towels. Wipe the dirt off the blade. Try cutting a knife with paper and cutting vegetables. Easy cut, you have succeeded. It's a very simple but very effective trick. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it helpful, click like and subscribe to my support channel. Let everyone know about this trick. I wish you success.